Wow! 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 Hey yo! What's good, everybody? I'm from Jamaica. Greetings from Jamaica. So today I'll be traveling to Ukraine. So the very reason why I'm going to Ukraine it's because I heard about this competition called Eurovision 2025, right? And I'm excited to check out this competition. However, I'm here because of a person called Ziferblat. If I'm pronouncing his name correctly, I'm traveling from a country where I'm not sure if this music plays, right? So I want to be a part of your culture, your music, your heritage, and also what you guys condone in your country. The song that we'll be checking out today, it's called Birds of. Oh yes, and one question: do anyone who's watching this video knows the legend Bob Marley? Please let me know down in the comments. And with that being said, let's all go together. Peace.
Не хочу нікуди їхати.
Ну і не їдь. Рухай свій світ, якщо хочеш.
Додай гучності своєму мейку з Maybelline New York.
Wow! 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 That's crazy, bro. That is crazy. Beautiful song, man. Hey, his vocals are crazy, bro. Crazy vocals, my G. Damn, bro. Damn. Bro can sing. He can sing, man. Crazy. Yo, that is giving me a serene vibe, bro. Ah! That is giving me a serene vibe. Oh my, yo, damn. Now we have some good contestant in this show, right? It's my first time checking out Ziferblat, and trust me, I'm feeling energetic. I'm feeling alive, bro. Yo, trust me, bro. Trust me. Ziferblat, you are crazy, bro. Your vocals are unnatural, man. Wow. Bro. sweet, bro. He's destined to be great, bro. This is a lot of greatness being displayed here. Trust me, bro. Trust me. I never seen nothing like this, bro, coming from the Ukraine. It's not my first time reacting to them, but bro, trust me. This one is extra nice, man. Extra nice, bro. Wow. 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 That was terrific, bro. That was terrific, bro. That was enjoying to watch, man. Damn. Damn. No, I gotta stay more focused on a lot more participants because guess what? There are a lot more coming up and I'm excited to give a listen here. So if you guys enjoyed my reaction, remember to leave a like, smash a subscribe button, share this to a friend, telling him or her about this Jamaican reactor. I'll see you guys in the next video.